Inventors killed by their own inventions. Inventors are known for their innovation, creativity, and their ability to create something new that can revolutionize the world. However, sometimes their inventions can backfire and result in their own demise. In this script, we will discuss some of the most famous inventors who were killed by their own inventions. Section 1. Franz Reichelt. Franz Reichelt was an Austrian-born French tailor who invented a wearable parachute in the early 20th century. He spent years perfecting his invention and believed it would allow people to safely jump from high altitudes. However, on February 4, 1912, when he tested his parachute from the Eiffel Tower in Paris, his invention failed. Reichelt fell to his death, and the parachute did not deploy correctly. His death served as a cautionary tale about the importance of proper testing and safety measures in the field of invention. Section 2. William Bullock. William Bullock was an American inventor who revolutionized the printing industry with his invention of the rotary printing press. His machine was faster and more efficient than previous printing presses, but it also had a dangerous flaw. While working on a new version of his press, Bullock accidentally got his foot caught in the machine. He suffered a severe injury that eventually led to his death, as there was no medical treatment available to save him in the mid-19th century. Section 3. Marie Curie. Marie Curie was a Polish-born French physicist and chemist who made groundbreaking discoveries in the field of radioactivity. She developed techniques for isolating radioactive isotopes and discovered two new elements, polonium and radium. However, her work with radioactive materials also exposed her to high levels of radiation, which ultimately led to her death. Curie died in 1934 from aplastic anemia, a condition caused by prolonged exposure to radiation. Section 4. Thomas Midgley Jr. Thomas Midgley Jr. was an American engineer and inventor who made significant contributions to the fields of chemistry and engineering in the early 20th century. He invented both leaded gasoline and freon, a chlorofluorocarbon used in refrigeration and air conditioning systems. However, both of these inventions had devastating environmental consequences. Leaded gasoline emitted toxic lead particles into the air, causing health problems and pollution. Freon contributed to the depletion of the Earth's ozone layer. Midgley's inventions had unintended consequences that ultimately led to significant harm to the environment and human health. Ironically, Midgley himself was strangled to death by one of his own inventions, a pulley system he had designed to help him get in and out of bed, which he accidentally got entangled in. Section 5. Otto Lilianthal. Otto Lilianthal was a German pioneer of aviation who made significant contributions to the field of aeronautics in the late 19th century. He developed a series of gliders that allowed him to fly short distances, and he became known as the Glider King for his feats of aviation. However, Lilianthal's inventions ultimately led to his death. In 1896, while testing one of his gliders, Lilianthal lost control and crashed to the ground. He suffered a broken spine and died the following day from his injuries. Conclusion. These are just a few examples of inventors who were killed by their own inventions. While these stories may seem tragic, they also serve as a reminder of the risks and rewards of innovation. Invention is a process of trial and error, and sometimes the consequences of our actions can be unexpected. However, these inventors also made significant contributions to their fields, and their legacies continue to inspire new generations of inventors and innovators. Thanks for watching.